Alright folks, here we go. We're going to do another simulated shoulder shot with the Hornady 223 out at 100 yards. These are the soft points. I did two. What we're going to do now is, just out of curiosity, we're going to do our scientifically calculated for the best look-alike type thing, you know, situation similar. Yeah, this is extreme non-scientific ENS, but here we go. What are we doing? First, we're gonna build. We got a shoulder blade right here, 1/2-inch board, solid and new. And got our synthetic muscle material on the board right there. That is for shoulder blades. It's a mix of jello, rice, and beans. That's our lung. What we got gonna go in between our two lungs? Our simulated deer heart. Yes, it's a dragon fruit, but something I've noticed with these. Yes, they're fucking expensive. I'm gonna shoot it. But what I've noticed with these is that anybody who hunts, that's almost the same size as a deer heart. It's pretty close. For our shot, we have our heart, we have our lungs, we have everything that we need except sugar cookies from Grandma. We don't have those today. Send that one an instant replay. All right, here we go. We definitely got some wickedness going on. That's the entry. That's the entry. There's our hole. That's the first. That's the shock wave. We're into the bag of the first lung. Totally blew up the lung. And that's what I'm trying to see. I mean, we got blood everywhere. This is amazing. This has been the best one yet. I mean, this is just everything speckled. I mean, we even got it back here. Back behind the target. This was awesome. This was sitting on the ground. So that's what was left there. It blew everything up. In the second lung, which that's the hole. Hopefully y'all can see that. That's the hole. That's about a 50-cent piece. I mean, we got fragment powder right here, gray. I can tell the gray. We've got no exit wound. The heart's gone. Okay, so with this, I mean, I'm with this. Can you hunt with it? I mean, yeah, I would say you're gonna bust a lung, and you're gonna get the heart. Now you're gonna need to hit that heart. I would definitely say, yeah, you're gonna definitely need to hit the heart. You're gonna be having to square up on the heart. One lonely fragment in here. I mean, it didn't even blow through the backside of the bag. So I mean, yeah, this can actually go two different ways on this argument. Or debate. We don't argue here, we debate. We listen to every point of view. You can sit there and say, yep, that'll do it, because I mean it obliterated everything on the first half into the second lung. Yeah, deer's going to be a little bit bigger. It's going to absorb more of the shock. That's why I would personally. I mean, I would say yes, you can, and at the same time, I would say don't. But I would also say yes, you can. I would take the neck shot with it, to be honest. With the 223, I would go for the neck shot. You're going to drop it, it's going to fold it up. But we blew everything up. That was pretty cool. That was definitely pretty cool. This is what was left in there. So we do have a little bit of a lid core, not much. So what's impressive was the blowout hole right here, and how big. We got the label to the dragon fruit up here. How big the hole is into the square. I mean, I'm gonna. That is blew a nice little crater into there. That's the hole going in. It's odd how it's almost like a perfect little square. Punching in there, wham, right there. There you go. What kind of hole do we got? We're just gonna go this way since the board is together. Right there, just under 1/2 inch, 0.3. I think it will punch the heart. I think it would hit the heart. You're squaring up on the heart, you're going to hit the heart. I would say it would on there. It's definitely not going to be a pass-through. But you hit the Boilermaker and it's done. But I would just play it safe on these, and I know you can take neck shots and they will still fold up and drop right on the spot with the neck shot. So I am not claiming either or on this for a heart shot, but it is what it is. That is it to this little thingamajig. Thanks for watching.